Alright, here's another one where it's asking you to write a quadratic in vertex form. And again, realize that y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Again, simple process, identify a, h, and k. There are a few things you got to be careful about in this one. Your k value is 3. That is your y value of the vertex. But your h value, since in the equation it's minus h, when you plug in this negative 1 here, it's actually going to be plus 1. Anytime you have a vertex that's to the left of the x-axis in vertex form, it's going to be plus right there. So if the vertex was on negative 2, it would be plus 2, so on and so forth. So there you go. All we've done is identify h and k by plugging in these two values from the vertex. Now, what you got to do is look at this and jog one value to the right. So we've gone from negative 1 to 0. And now we're going to go down to count the rise until we hit the curve again. And we hit it right there. Now, what's the amount of units we went down from here till we hit the curve again? Well, 1 unit, 2, and 3. And since we went down, the rise is negative, so that is negative 3. And there is your a value. So the equation of this parabola in vertex form is y equals negative 3 times x plus 1 plus 3. This makes sense. If you think about it, the parabola is opening downward, so it has to be negative. Make sure you have that. Careful of your sign with the h value. You're plugging in negative 1. Negative, negative makes it a positive 1. And then just plug in k as 3.